Hey there, ever heard of online shopping? Or wondered how to shop online? Well, I am here to show you how you can shop from anywhere at any time. In the next few minutes, you will be an expert online shopper who will get the best products at bargain prices delivered right to you. Allow me to introduce you to Zudua, Tanzania's own e-commerce platform. The Zudua platform boasts with thousands of products and services that will allow you to save hours of shopping so you can spend your time better. Let's set you up, shall we? Did you know you can download our app from the App Store or Play Store by searching the word Zudua? Having the app on your phone gives you access to instant deals and offers that are exclusive to the app users. Don't worry if you don't want to download the app. You can still shop on Zudua by visiting www.zudua.com from your internet browser. For the sake of this demo, we will show the visuals from the app, but the process is the same. Okay, we can get started now. Once your app is installed on your phone, just launch the Zudua app. After the intro animation, you will be greeted with a home screen. The home screen has links to various sections of the website and you will be able to see the latest products and deals here. If you are looking for something specific, you can search here. Just click on the search bar and type away. Let's see what kind of products we can shop on Zudua. To browse the different stores and categories, you can click this button, and it opens the menu. You can scroll through the menu by swiping your finger up and down. Let's say you are looking for something for your home. You can either click here to browse by a specific category, or go to the home store where you can view products from multiple categories curated for your home, just like in a superstore. Our customers love visiting stores because it makes shopping easy and fun. As you can see, the interactive home store shows you everything from home appliances to tableware. Everything is on a single page to make your shopping a breeze. I love this blender. And it also has a discount. Let's click on it to see the product details for it. The product detail page will show you details about the product, its brand, capacity, etc. You can even see other products from the vendor, or similar products by other vendors by scrolling on this screen. Let's say you want to buy the product. All you have to do is click the Add to Cart button and the product will be added to your shopping cart. Hey, I was also looking for this product. I will just add it to my wish list and buy it when I am ready. Your wish list allows you to store products you are interested in, to make your shopping experience easier. You can access your wish list by clicking here. In order to access your cart, you can click here at any time. Your cart opens on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's complete our order now. To go to the checkout page, just click the checkout button. If you are a new user, just click the register button on your screen, or you can log in using your username and password here. You just have to fill your details the first time you shop, so we know where to deliver your products. You can even choose your payment method here. If you have shopped with us before, you may not need to fill the whole form as the system will remember your details for next time you visit. Once you're done, just click the place order button. That's it. Congratulations, you have just shopped online. If you are stuck at any time or have any questions, you can reach us by clicking the WhatsApp chat icon here and type a message directly to us. Someone will always be there to help you. Do you know about Zudua Eve? The Zudua Eve store is made to make your events memorable. You can buy fresh flowers, freshly baked cakes, party items and print photos directly. Just click here to visit Zudua Eve and shop away using the same process. We hope to see you shopping on Zudua soon.